Today I will talk about the BNS, which is my today's lecture topic. BNS stands for the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. It is the modern crime law and it introduced for improving the India's justice system. It is also replaced the Indian Penal Code, which is called IPC of 1860. The main objectives of the BNS are as follows. The first objective is to ensure the protection of women and children. The second objective is to provide the fast justice. The third objective is to modernize the old colonial rule. And the fourth objective is to develop the national security. And the important features of the BNS are as follows. The first important features is to focus on the modern crime. The BNS was imposed many laws against the cyber trafficking and cyber arrest, digital frauds, etc. The second important features of BNS is replacing the IPC. BNS replaced the IPC, which is called the Indian Penal Code of 1860s, which was made by the Britishers in the older times to modernize the India's justice system. The third important features of BNS is strict punishment because the BNS was imposed the strict laws and punishment for the mob lynching, terrorists, and the crime laws which was against to the women's and children's. The advantages of BNS are the speedy justice and the introduced of community service for the minor offences and the protection of the national security. Thank you.